fat burner there, you know, in case I need a lot more energy. Ooh, I love Mio's. I use so much Mio, they should sponsor me. What's up guys, it's your boy CJ, back here with another video, and today I'm going to do a review on 6-pack bags. Now this is my absolute favorite company for meal prep, packing food, anything. It's all in one. But make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment below. I want to see what you guys use for daily use for work, traveling, all that stuff. So let's get into this review. This is my favorite company for traveling, packing meal, everything. It has everything in it. This is actually the original backpack. This is the first one they ever came out with. First one ever. And I got it at a local store at A&C in Everett. So shout out to them for hooking me up back then. I don't know how many years ago that was like 5 years ago maybe, but all right, let's get into this. So I got on the side here, I got a bang. So I put those in the side pocket. Actually, if you zip it up, it actually keeps it cold, which is really nice. So I'll show you guys what is in the first pocket. Now this is a little banged up because one of our dogs likes to chew my stuff sometimes. So this is why it's a little braided. So I have to it's like holding on by a string. So I think I'm due for another backpack soon, but I'll show you guys just what I had in today. So this is like what I had in. So I have my, this is the 6-pack meal containers. So I had like chicken, like turkey and rice today. I usually bring 3 meals to work. So it comes with your ice packs. These are really handy. So you put one, I usually put 1 or 2 in here. This is fully insulated. So it will legit keep your meals cold for, I mean, I have a 10-hour shift and keeps it for 8 to 10 hours at least. So it's really awesome. It keeps it super insulated. There's little pockets in here too. I usually put just the ice pack on top. That's how I usually do it. So those are really cool. These are awesome. They fit really well. I just have other containers that I've bought over the years. They're old and stuff. So this is super insulated. Remember, this is the older version, so the newer version's even better. So, and I kind of want to get one. So that's the cooler part. And now it has all different compartments. Like there's a little one here. I went away today, this past weekend, so I have like my watch in here. I have my headphones in here. This actually needs to go in my watch case. I need to put that away. If you guys have watches, take care of them. That's a fossil watch, by the way. So I'm actually gonna put the link in the description for this below, so you guys can check it out. So this is another pocket. So when this came out, it was made for like little tiny phones and iPods. So I don't know if you guys can see, it has like a keyboard on a phone, and then it has an iPod logo. So this is made like when that shit was around. It's not around anymore. This is my work phone. This is a cool little pocket. So I throw usually my wall in there and my work phone. So there's another one. And I mentioned the side pockets already. You have 2 side pockets. And then this is the straps. There's pads on the back, so it makes it more comfortable. It's a good sized bag, especially when you fill it. So I mean, I have traveled with this on airplanes and it does wonders. It's a little more slim and trim now, like the newer one, but depends on what size you get. This is the regular size. There's a six meal one, I think, but I wouldn't get that one. That one's way too big. I wouldn't want to carry that. So, all right, so let's get into the more pockets. All right, so this is the middle pocket. So this I have like this is a pocket I put my vitamins. So this is a case that you just have my vitamins. Have fat burner there, you know, in case I need a lot more energy. Then this is kind of cool. It comes with a little stringy bag. So if you need some to put extra stuff, like carry it around, it's got a little 6-pack bag. So that's kind of cool. I've actually used this just to put, like, you know, toothbrush in or something like that, and there's a little pocket for it right here. So that's really cool. All right, and then there's side pockets on the, so this is the cooler. So in the new one, the cooler detaches, I believe. This one it doesn't. It's the original, so it doesn't have that. So it has side pocket on the coolers. Then it has, so I have all my stuff in here. So this pocket right here, that's just a little like pouch. I put like my Mios in there. I'll put the link in the description for those too. I love Mios. I use so much Mios. They should sponsor me. It's crazy. Then in the middle, you can put more stuff in there. So it's just it's tons and tons of pocket room. Zip that baby up. All right, this is kind of a cool part of the next one. So this is a laptop compartment. So I'll try to angle it for you guys so you guys can see. But so you can put your laptop in there. So there's a little pouch actually for your laptop, but I think it was made for like small laptops because my laptop barely fits in there. I got a notebook in there, you know, taking notes and stuff. This one is really awesome. I love this thing. Really love this thing. So that's for the laptop, you know, notebook, stuff like that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. There's like at least 12 pockets in here, and it's super comfortable to wear for a while. And I just like it keeps everything cold. Everyone at work always sees that I have my stuff. Like if I leave it somewhere, they always know it's mine because I'm the only one that carries this stuff. It has a nice handle on there. Remember, this is like 6 years old and it's still in really good condition. Actually, this is kind of cool too. If it's really heavy and you're having trouble carrying it, it has a clip on you can go across your chest. So that's kind of cool that it does that. I've done that, but kind of hurts my chest a little bit because I'm a little broader, so it kind of like crunches me in, and that's no fun. So yeah, this is my review on the 6-pack bag. I use this every day. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the review, guys. Let me know what you guys use for work below. I want to know what you guys use. I have more 6-pack bags, so let me know in the comments below if you want me to do some more reviews on them. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment below, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next video.